how to create a nameless folder inside Microsoft, I mean Windows. Okay, not Microsoft, Windows. So the first thing that you need to do is Control Shift N, and I'm going to click Control Shift N from here. You can see this new folder is coming, so I'm going to give backspace, Alt 255, enter. So you can see I've created a nameless folder. Now everyone on YouTube will teach you that you have to click Alt 255. Now nobody will tell you that what is Alt 255. This is ASCII coding, the American standard coding. So inside ASCII coding you will be getting this particular code of 255. You can check on Google, there is a lot of ASCII coding available over there, and you can certainly check for the 255 one. Alt plus 255, remember that. Subscribe this video. The like aim for this video is only 10 likes. You have to give only 10 likes, and if you want to subscribe this channel, then do subscribe. If you are interested in computer tips, computer tricks, computer tutorials, and also programming languages, then do support me. See you all again next time, and goodbye and take care.